Hi, we're delighted that you've decided to purchase the Pool Vac XL automatic pool cleaner. Pool Vac XLs are available in 3 models. Each is engineered to clean a specific type of in-ground pool, concrete, vinyl, or fiberglass. But no matter which model you've purchased, the installation process is the same. Now, the purpose of this video is to show you just how easy it is to install your Pool Vac XL. It takes 10 minutes or even less, and absolutely no tools. We're also going to show you how to fine-tune your Pool Vac XL to keep it working properly for your individual pool. Now let's begin with the preparation of your pool. Inspect your pool prior to the installation of your Pool Vac XL, removing all large objects such as rocks, coins, and large amounts of leaves or debris. Check to see that the water level is as recommended. Water chemistry is also important to the operation of the Pool Vac XL. Be sure that the water is properly balanced and all algae is treated and removed. Before installing your Pool Vac XL, inspect your pump and filter and clean if necessary. Open the hair and lint pot and clean if necessary. Make sure that the seal is lubricated and free from debris. Make sure that all suction lines, other than the one to be used by your Pool Vac XL, are closed, including the main drain line. And make sure that your pumping system is off prior to installation of your Pool Vac XL. Having done this, you are ready to install your Pool Vac XL. Please refer to your Pool Vac XL installation manual during the installation process. Inside the Pool Vac XL box, you have 1 leader hose and 9 connector hose sections. The leader hose has a gray cup marked with a red sticker. This leader hose connects to the Pool Vac XL head. Remove the red sticker from the leader hose cuff. Then connect the connector hose section starting with the leader hose. If the hose sections are hard to connect, wet the hose ends. Connect enough of the hose sections to reach from your skimmer or wall fitting to the furthest point that your Pool Vac XL will travel. To this length, add 2 extra hose sections. Insert the flow gauge into the leader hose. Then attach the C-clip of the gauge onto the first hose section. Submerge the hose sections, filling them completely with water. Make sure the flow gauge is underwater and turn on the pool pump. Adjust the water flow to ensure that the indicator is between the min and max markings. Then turn off the pump and remove the flow gauge. Please see Step 4 in your installation manual. The rear flap adjuster is used to fine-tune your cleaner. Check to make sure that it is preset at the number 2 or middle setting. This is the proper setting for most pools. Picking up the unit by its handle, submerge it in your pool, removing all air. Once the air has been removed, connect the cuff of the leader hose to the Pool Vac XL hose connector. Release the cleaner and continue to submerge the hose sections into the water, removing all air. Turn on the pump and filter system, allowing it to run long enough to remove any air that might be trapped inside. The skimmer cone is used to connect the hose to the skimmer. Connect the skimmer cone to the other end of the Pool Vac XL hose. After removing the skimmer basket, plug the cone into the suction port of the skimmer. Or, if your pool is equipped with a dedicated vacuum line, connect the hose directly to the Hayward vac lock. Do not use the skimmer cone with a dedicated vacuum line, and be sure to use a Hayward vac lock for safety reasons. Observe the operation of the cleaner and note the reading on the inline flow gauge. Should the reading not be between the min and max box, it will be necessary to adjust the water flow through the cleaner by using the V094 regulator valve, a Hayward skimmer vacuum plate, or valve or valves in the filter system that are installed for this purpose. If the V094 regulator valve is used, it must be installed between the skimmer cone and the first hose section in the skimmer. Do not put the regulator valve in any other location on your hose. For safety reasons, it cannot be installed in the portion of the hose that is floating in your pool. Be sure that if you open the main or bottom drain to adjust the water flow, that you only open it slightly. Otherwise, the cleaner might get stuck on the drain. After the cleaner has been properly adjusted, remove the flow gauge. This gauge is not designed to be left in the water. However, the flow gauge should be reinstalled from time to time to verify the flow readings, as it may change as the filter system accumulates debris. This will assure that your pool cleaner will operate as designed. If your hose is being pushed across the pool by the water from an eyeball-type return line, adjust the return so that the water flow is directed across the pool and down at a 45-degree angle. If your pool is not equipped with an adjustable eyeball-type return line fitting, contact your Pool Vac XL dealer for an optional Hayward return line diverter. If your Pool Vac XL is tipping over and not reaching portions of your pool's floor, chances are that your hose is too short. Remember, you need to add 2 extra hose lengths beyond the furthest point in your pool from the connection point of your Pool Vac XL. Then readjust the flow if necessary. However, too much hose can cause the hose to get tangled, reducing the cleaner's efficiency. If your Pool Vac XL is moving too slowly or failing to climb the walls, check the following. First, after turning off the pump and disconnecting your Pool Vac XL, check to see if the throat is clogged or obstructed by debris. If this is the case, remove the objects. Then, remove the easy opening bottom with a Phillips head screwdriver, exposing the turbine chamber. Be sure that this area is clean and that the turbine turns freely. Replace the easy opening bottom and replace the Phillips head screw. If your Pool Vac XL is not clogged, make sure your skimmer leaf basket and hair and lint pot are cleaned out. Check your filter to see if it needs to be cleaned or backwashed. Check your main drain and other suction points not connected to the Pool Vac XL for proper adjustment. Check all hose connections for air leaks, including the hose that connects to the skimmer. For other problems you may encounter, please refer to the troubleshooting section in the installation manual. If your Pool Vac XL is still moving slowly and not climbing the walls, you should adjust the rear flap adjuster to the number 3 setting. When storing your cleaner, the hose sections must be stored straight, not coiled. A coiled hose will create a memory in the hose that will impede the Pool Vac XL's ability to move properly in your pool. And remember, coiled hoses are not covered under the Hayward owner's warranty. When removing the Pool Vac XL from your pool, be sure to grasp the cleaner by its handle and not by its hose. Otherwise, your Pool Vac XL might be damaged should the hose disconnect from the cleaner. The following optional accessories are available from your local Hayward dealer. Each is designed to help your cleaner do an even better job of keeping your pool sparkling clean. If your pool is subject to heavy debris loads, the optional Hayward leaf canister is the ideal solution. It traps leaves and other large debris before they even enter your pool skimmer and filter system, making pool maintenance easier for you. Its clear plastic construction allows you to see if emptying is necessary before opening. The optional Hayward Skimmer vacuum plate is an accessory that makes your Pool Vac XL truly automatic. By alternating between skimming and vacuuming, it's simple. During one cycle, the skimmer cleans leaves and floating debris from the pool's surface. During the next cycle, the Pool Vac XL removes leaves and other debris from your pool's bottom and walls. The built-in vacuum gauge and flow regulator allows you to easily set the proper vacuum for efficient performance. If you have any questions regarding installation or fine-tuning, contact your local Hayward Pool Vac XL dealer or call us toll-free at 1-800-277-1477. Thanks again for purchasing the Hayward Pool Vac XL. Hayward, intelligent products for smart pool owners.